We have a new album. We have unbelievably a greatest hits. I remember coming here and doing a signing for, I think it was Elvis Ain't Dead in 2007. I'm probably seeing a lot of you. Who was here then? How many of you have got our autographs already 4 or 5 times? This is right, it's our favourite town. So we have a greatest hits out, thanks to you being such amazing fans and buying us CDs and supporting us. And there's a couple of new songs on it, and this is a new single. The best things in life don't come with a price. Forget what they say, 'cause I know they ain't right. All that I need is you. A walk in the park, a kiss in the dark, the way she looks back every time that we part. All that I need is you. It is you, it is you, it is you. We could be broke, but I couldn't care. Standing there, you made me feel like a millionaire. The moment I set my eyes on you, girl, I'm like the richest guy in the world. You made me feel like a millionaire. Well, maybe I'm biased, but you're just the finest girl that I met. I think you're priceless. All that I need is you. I'm not gonna lie, the money'd be nice, 'cause I could take you out every night. I spend it all on you. Yeah, I do, yeah, I do, yeah, I do. We could be broke, but I couldn't care, 'cause I got it all when you're standing there. You made me like a millionaire. The moment I set my eyes on you, girl, I'm like the richest guy in the world. You make me feel, yeah, like a millionaire. Money can stay, I'll be alright, as long as you're there by my side. You make me feel, yeah, like a millionaire. Now I say, do, you say, I say, we got la 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 la. We go la la, we love Marlborough. We go do. Cause I got it all when you're standing there. You made me feel like a millionaire. The moment I set my eyes on you, girl, I'm the richest guy in the world. You made me feel like a millionaire.